and welcome to day 31 of the 21 Days of Vego. That doesn't really make sense, does it? But as I said, when you finish the 21 days, the rest of the time you're on your own. So these last, however many days it's been, 10 days, I hope that you've managed to really integrate what you've learned and done it yourself. I hope you've made some amazing meals. I hope you've kept in ketosis. I hope you've kept tracking your food. How has it been for you? Please, leave comments below, send me messages. I've heard from some of you as you've been going along, and it sounds like you've been doing a really good job. But just congratulations for finishing this first month of being on the ketogenic diet. This is a great start to the new year for you. I hope that you feel really good from it. I hope that it's taught you so much. And for those of you that already knew a lot, I hope it's helped confirm what you already knew. Like I always say, I am not an expert. I've just been using the skills that I've learned over the last year and a half and trying to help people eat in a vegan ketogenic way. So what is next? What do you do now? And that's completely up to you. Maybe you decided that the ketogenic diet was fun and you enjoyed it and you learned some stuff, but it's not for you. In which case, go and have a look at the Get Out of Keto video that I posted on the same day as the 21st video, on the 21st day. Or maybe you're like, hell yeah, this is amazing. I want to keep doing this. And if so, great. You've still got all the tools. There's loads of recipes to back you up. I'm here to back you up too. There's more people in this community as well that can help you. There's tons of websites out there that can really help you, that have forums on. One that I really used to rely on a lot is ketodietapp.com. So it's like all one word. They're really good and they are proper experts. They will help you out as well. So if you want to continue, that's great. Going forward, there's things that you can start to think about, which I will be talking about in videos in the future. So I'm still going to be releasing a weekly video talking about different types of things you can do on the ketogenic diet. And also I'm going to be talking about things to do on a regular vegan carb-based diet, because I don't stay on a ketogenic diet the whole time. I do come out of it. But those things that I was talking about that you can now start to think about is, one is fat adaptation. So you're entering your second month of the ketogenic diet, and in this month it's most likely that your body will now become fat adapted, which means your body uses fuel as its default fuel source over carbs. So it's going to be really hard for you to get out of ketosis, and if you do come out of ketosis, your body will snap back really quickly. That doesn't mean that you can eat loads of crappy carbs and cheat and go back, because you will just put on fat. But after becoming fat adapted and you want to continue with the ketogenic diet, you can play around with things like intermittent fasting, which is where you eat all of your calories, your caloric intake in the space of a few hours in the day, which is really good for many reasons, which I'll explain in the video when I do it. Another thing is if you work out and you feel like you're not getting enough nutrients, or you're not putting on enough muscle mass, or you're not losing enough fat, things like that, you can start to do something which is called a TKD, targeted keto diet, which is where you actually introduce some carbohydrates, fast-acting carbohydrates before your workout and after, and that actually maintains your muscle mass. It helps build your muscle mass. So if some of you, like myself in the past, have been worried that you're not treating your muscles right on the ketogenic diet, this is probably for you if you exercise 5 times a day or more. And there's some other things which we'll talk about in the future. And obviously I'm going to be talking about new meals, showing you guys things to do. So this isn't the end. This is just the end of the intensity. So every week there will be a new video talking about some new aspect. What am I going to do from now? Well, I've been doing the ketogenic diet for quite a long time, and I don't know when, but I will be starting to come out of the ketogenic diet, because I do like to vary my diet. I've been fat adapted for a long time now, and when you've been on a ketogenic for a very, very, very long time, sometimes you just miss those foods that you didn't have. It is restrictive. I mean, hopefully I've shown you that it's not that restrictive. You can make an alternative of all of these different things. But at the end of the day, I miss sweet potatoes, I miss hummus, I miss having carrots and things like that. So I will be coming out of the ketogenic diet for a while, but like I said in the exit video, like coming out of ketosis video, I will be avoiding bad carbohydrates like the plague. I kind of eat in a ketogenic way because the ketogenic diet changed my mindset. So I'll be eating a ketogenic mindset. I'll be tracking my food. I'll be eating clean carbohydrates that are good for my body, and I won't be eating rice and bread and things like that. So that's what I'm going to be doing after the ketogenic diet, and I can't wait to hear about what you guys are going to be doing. And as a final thank you very much for taking part in this month of the ketogenic diet. It's been amazing to share this journey with you guys. It's been amazing to share my knowledge, and it's been amazing to share your knowledge as well. Thank you for all of those that have helped with me put this together. You know who you are. And thank you. Just thank you. It's been a great journey, and I'm really, really super proud of you guys, proud of myself, proud of all of us. And let this be the beginning of a really healthy year where you are going to eat very green and eat very clean, and just continue doing it that way. And remember, whatever you decide to do, as long as you do it in a mindful way, in a conscientious way, you can't go wrong. So whatever diet you choose to eat, that's fine. Just be switched on about it and know what you're doing. So that's it from me. Thank you again, and I will see you next week for our first weekly video. Ooh, exciting. Bye.